Question 7. You start a bank account with $800 and the interest rate on the account is 5% every year. Part A, write an equation to represent this scenario. So if you recall, when we have an interest rate, okay, we're multiplying. So that is an exponential function. So we need to think about the initial value, how much we start with, and what would be the constant factor. What are we going to multiply by? So we're looking for the total amount of money after X years. So it's going to be a function of the number of years. So f of x equals, well, the starting amount, that's $800. And then the tricky part is figuring out what do we multiply by. So we discussed that we think about adding 5% to the amount of money we had. So we have 100% of our money, right? I have the whole $800 and I want 5% more. So we're going to end up with 105% of our money, right? The whole amount plus 5%. So we write that as a factor of 1.05, right? We take 105% and make it into a decimal. That's 1.5%, 0.05, 1 representing the whole amount. We multiply 800 times 1, we keep the 800, and 0.05 representing an additional 5% of the $800, and we raise that to the x power because every year that passes, we multiply by that factor of 1.05 again. Now, how much money will you have in your bank account after 10 years? Go ahead and figure that out. You'll probably want a calculator for that. Okay, so we have $800, and we're multiplying it by 1.05 10 times, but we don't have to multiply times 10 times 10 times 10. You can just put into your calculator 800 times 1.05 to the 10th power, and you should get $1,303 and 11.5 cents. So we'll round up to 12 cents.